We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. In British English, because the American pronunciation is slightly different, it is said as wilderness. You do want to stress on the first syllable, on the well syllable, wilderness, wilderness. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as wilderness, wilderness, wilderness in American English versus wilderness in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.